Hey IELTS community, welcome back to the channel. This video is all about pie charts. In this video, I'm going to provide you the vocabulary and sentence structures that will help you improve your band score in writing task 1. So most commonly we get three types of questions related to pie chart in our exam. In one there will be one pie chart and we have to explain, and in second there will be comparison between two pie charts, and the third one can be a pie chart or any other chart like table, or we have to explain both the charts. The chart that we are going to use today is related to energy production in 1995 and 2005. Before moving on, let me clarify that one thing that we should keep in mind is that we have to write our writing in such a way that the examiner can make the pie chart or any other chart after reading our writing task. So let's start with sentence structures for writing task. These structures can be used exactly in your IELTS writing. So the first one is respectively. So the sentence that we have formed with this is the proportion of energy production using coal in 1995 and 2005 was 29.80% and 30.93% respectively. So the next sentence is when we have to show difference between two items or years. So the sentence that I formed with this is there was a difference of 3.60% in the percentage of energy produced using nuclear between 2005 and 1995. Moving on to the next one, this sentence structure is used to show something equal. For example, the proportion of energy produced using gas was almost similar in 1995 and 2005. So the next sentence is used to show something that is more than anything else. So for example, the percentage of energy produced using nuclear was 3.60% more in 2005 than in 1995. So the next sentence is also similar. It is used to show less than. So for example, the percentage of energy produced using nuclear was 3.60% less in 1995 than in 2005. So the next sentence is used when we have to show something is highest or lowest. For example, the proportion of energy produced using other sources was lowest in 1995. The example for highest is the proportion of energy produced using coal was highest in 2005. Let's check out some of the common vocabulary words. These are some of the common synonyms for vocabulary words that are commonly used in writing task 1. Demonstrates, depicts, represents, and illustrates are with same meaning, and proportion, percentage, percentile, percentum are with same meaning. Usage, utilize, and consumption have same meaning. Production, creation, made, manufactures. Lastly, income, earning, revenue, and gain can be used as synonym for each other.